All right, future filmmaker, you've planned, filmed, and now it's time for one of the most important parts of making a movie, editing. This is where you take all your clips and put them together to tell your story. Let's get started. First, open your editing app. You can use iMovie, CapCut, Adobe Premiere, or any other app you like. Now, import your video clips so you can start working on your movie. Next, let's trim out mistakes. If someone laughed in the middle of a scene or the camera got wobbly, no worries. Just use the cut tool to remove the parts you don't need. This helps keep your movie looking clean and professional. Now make sure all your scenes are in the right order. Drag and drop your clips so the story flows from beginning to end. You don't want the ending happening before the big adventure starts. Want your movie to feel even smoother? Add transitions. Try fade-ins to start a new scene gently, or fade-outs to make it feel like time is passing. These little touches make your movie feel like a real Hollywood film. Now let's talk about sound. Movies feel more exciting when they have music and sound effects. Add some background music to match the mood of your story, and don't forget the sound effects you created. Whether it's footsteps, rain, or a monster growl, sound makes your scenes come to life. And finally, give your movie a professional touch by adding a title and credits. Add your movie's name at the beginning and make sure your name appears in the credits at the end because every filmmaker deserves to be recognized. That's it! You've turned your clips into a real movie. Watch it one last time to make sure everything looks great, then save your film. You're officially an editor. Up next, the big premiere. Let's get ready to show off your movie.